So while I was swapping out my tires for my snow tires on my Mercedes this winter, I knew I had one wheel that was had a little whoop in the rim from hitting a massive pothole. But I also discovered that the same rim was cracked right on the rim. So this is a little bit interesting, a little interesting twist. That right rear rim that I said was bent, and I was gonna have to see if I get it straightened out, has a crack. You can see it pretty obvious right there, but it actually extends all the way down here, somewhere under here. It's not leaking, so the bead is still sealed on the rim, but that's definitely a safety issue that is going to have to be addressed. So this is the short saga of trying to find a rim to match the original style rim, and you know, I decided not to replace all 4 rims because that was way too expensive. But this one replacement rim for this wheel here still cost me about $430 delivered with tax. A rim size box arrived today, so I think it's my used rebuilt rim for my Mercedes. So let's get it opened up. Looks like it arrived in pretty good condition. Don't see any dings or dents, cuts or scrapes. Lots of cardboard protection. Wow, that's pretty. That is really pretty. So I don't know what they did to refinish it, but that is not used paint. It's got a couple of little specks in it, but overall that is pretty incredible. So no center hub, no valve stem, which is what they said. So I got the tire mounted on the rim, switched over to the new rim, and I threw it up here on the rack. Oh, but I forgot one thing. A couple things actually. I've got a Mercedes-Benz sticker that's going to be on one of the spokes, and I got to put the center cap back on. There we go. So, and it's cold in here. It's about 32 degrees. On the right side. The driver's side is about 4 inches by 3/8 of an inch. So I'm going to cut some vinyl letters on my Cricut and put that on one of these spokes, and then that should finish this thing up. All right, we're going to go ahead and print out the Mercedes lettering. Need about inches by 3/8 of an inch. And I'll put it down on this side here. That should be enough. Press go. See what it does. Done cutting. Let's see what we got. I call this weeding, getting all the little pieces out of the and there's letters. Next we need a little piece of this. Transfer paper. Come on over there. There we go. All ready to go on the wheel. So I've got my Mercedes sticker ready to go on. So I'm going to put it over here across from the valve stem just for some level of continuity. Got to try and get it to stick to the transfer paper. So I've got the got it on the transfer paper. Let's get it on there before it moisturizes again. Now we take the transfer paper off. Looks like it went on there very well. How's that look? Now my rim is all set to go on. It's just waiting for things to warm up a little bit so I can take the snow tires off and put these on. So back up on the rack we go. All set for spring.